Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan da Shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Ninwan ra amangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Wadla ka sarkar jilla kala aishuti ya baro ki office traikam ka yeng ka shari bat nangta de ki school ki badan hopo upur usam jong ka East Khasi Hills District namar ka jingdon jong ka jingle nyam shat suk mensim ka bajulong shisen shisnem jong ka seng khasi keme hanrei ka longpat ka basngau lingo hadu kata-kata baki shlem traikam jong ki bang bapher ki badan hopo kani ka district kila play bat pa wan tray bet yala ki nong tray kumujulong haki sngi long tray haka jinya it swat jong unong lum kubor ka Batesi TV lalap babon ki shlem tray kam jong ki banken show pisa kila khangkhardep hakum gane ka sngi hanrei lalap ru bakidang don pat katto ka ni teli ki bang ki ba play ki office tray kam ki badan haka thain laj khra ki ba kunthum ya ka ICICI Bank ka Central Bank of India ka Bank of Baroda bat ka Syndicate Bank haba unong lum kubor lo persang ban panjing shai halor kani ne ka liang ki branch manager jong kini ki bank kila aidao bakim ban se ban play ya ki bank na ka daw baki don ki kam ki bakerke baki hap ban pendem.
No, now we will go out only. Everyone see those counters and all. Everyone is gone out now. We are also going.
Since we have opened in the morning, we'll close and go now.
Because
the police came, huh? Early in the morning.
Yeah, they have informed a few minutes back. So we'll close out because in the NI list it was not mentioned. No.
So did you take any customer in today?
No customer.
We sent them
shutter
back.
was down only. No, you have seen it.
No, actually, we heard that it is a holiday.
But in the
under
NI list,
NI, it is not there,
not
so we
written.
cannot just close it also. So when they inform us, we inform our higher authority. Now we thought of closing it.
Because not aware, no, today that because generally we get holiday from the state, no, state government.
So you're not aware that it's holiday?
No, not aware.
Really?
That's right. So today only we came. So we aware now. Yes.
How come? It's a state holiday, no?
No, but
Everybody is aware.
no, but they have not given. No, government side, no, they have not given anything from government.
So at what time are you going to close?
No, 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
No, already closed. You're just closing. Means like system and all.
Did you take customer in
No.
today morning?
No customer.